Hello, let me show you how you can replace your 95 job by making per day $800 just by using Google Maps. Yes, you hear me. Do you like searching online? Yes, let me show you quickly. I'm gonna go to my computer. You will be surprised to see how you can make 200 for every person that gonna click on this link. And if you have 4 clicks per day, it's gonna be $800 without doing nothing, and you don't need any skills, any previous experience. Let's go to my computer. Let me show you right now. Guys, here's the deal. This company you see right here, ready to pay you $240 just for one phone call. What I mean by phone call, someone just grab the phone and just call them. For over 2 minutes over the phone, you get this amount, $240. So what they require you to do, what is the requirement? Let me show you. This is a debt settlement and bonds. So let me show you the criteria for someone to be qualified. So they want you to have people that are gonna call and interested in a debt settlement consolidation program. Minimum, they're supposed to have a debt from 15,000 and up. Unsecured debt, 15,000, and they're supposed to have a current source of income. If they have these 2 criteria, you will make $240. But they are ready to pay more than that. They say the payout dynamic is over $360 up to $400. You just need 2 phone calls. So this is where I come with this idea. You can make $800 per day from 2 phone calls up to 4 phone calls. I'm gonna show you how to make these phone calls, how to get this money right now. This video is about how to make money online. If it is your first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and share with your friend. Let's go right now and show you the secret right now. Guys, the method I'm gonna be using is what we call Google Map. Using the Google Map can help you generate a lot of money because people are always on the map to see businesses, to see companies for their special needs. If they have some needs, they need something, they go on Google and type for a specific query, and they want it to be located near them or maybe not too far from the location. So this is why we're gonna use Google Maps. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make this money. The only investment you will need will be $50 per day, just that. $50 per day to get 4 phone calls. Let me show you right now. When I found a company like this, ready to pay me this amount, $360 up to $400, the only thing I do, I go straight to Google to see what I can do with this and how I can be part of this and make money. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type Google and I'm gonna type the keyword related to the offer. What is the offer? The offer is debt settlement. To see if there is a search volume for this, if there is people looking for this. And don't go anywhere, keep watching. I'm gonna show you the method I use to generate this money. And I'm gonna show you a place where you can find this type of company ready to pay you, to give you this money every single day. So you see, I type debt settlement. I can see there is a search volume over 6,000, okay, people searching for this. But I see just to get 1 phone calls or 1 conversion or cost per click, I will pay $10. So this is why I say you need a budget of $50. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to Google Ads, and I'm gonna take the same keyword in Google Ads to see if there is a search volume for the keyword, and at the same time how much I can make if I invest on this, if I can generate a lot of money by making people calling me. Because what I'm gonna do, in the past people used to say make local business call you. In this video I'm gonna make the local business call you, but this time you're not gonna bother them by calling them to offer your service. They're gonna just call and they're gonna just take the service. They will not see if it is you wanting this ad. They're gonna call when they spend an amount of minutes or second over the phone. You will make money. That's the idea. So now I'm gonna type debt settlement. Debt settlement will be the keyword that I want Google to tell me if there is a huge demand for this, if I'm gonna make money. So when Google tell me yes, this keyword pass the test, so you can see this keyword pass the test for from 1,000 up to 10,000 search per month. So that's a good sign for me. So I know this thing gonna convert. So one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the forecast for this keyword. If I type the forecast and the left, and I'm gonna see how much I can make with these keyword. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna try to add some metrics to get some result related to this particular keyword. So let's see what I can put as my conversion. So here, if I add metrics, like I want to add a metric related to this, I'm going to say I want Google to give me 25% return on my investment. So I type 25%, but how much they going to pay me for every conversion? They say they will pay me $240. So every phone calls that I have that bring me this will be converted as $240. So as you can see, I'm not alone. You can see a lot of people are taking advantage of this. You can see these are ads on Google. People do the same thing. People are wanting ads because they know these companies will pay them just to make people call in a phone number. People who need help for the debt. Let's say you are a student, you have loan, student loan, you have maybe personal loan that you owe over $50,000. So I'm gonna target you using Google Ads. This is what these people do. You can see a lot of ads. So these people, when you or me try to go to this website and end up calling them for the very first phone call, they will make $250 or $240, up to $400 for just one phone call. So this is what we try to do. So now let's go to Google and let Google validate this for me. So what I do here, I let Google know that that's my conversion point. So this is what I want. I want Google to give me stats about my conversion. So I can see definitely, let's say if I spend $30 per day, you see a daily budget of $30, I'm gonna make $900. That's mean for the whole month from the September 1st to September 30, let's say the next month I wanna start with this ad, I'm gonna have 243 conversion, and I'm gonna be making, let's see the magic below. So that's the amount I will be spending. Let me show you. I will spend this amount you see here, $900. But let me show you how much I'm gonna make. That will surprise you. The conversion value will be $58,000. So let's say I make a third of this amount. That's a lot of money to be making using this method. So this is a way to make money online, guys. This company, let me show you how to find this company that will be paying you just to make people call in a phone number. That's one of the best way to use Google Maps. As you can see on Google Maps, if you type a local business, they are looking for settlement for credit card. People will type this settlement, debt settlement near me. That's gonna be question that people gonna ask. People gonna type this on Google search, and when they type this, if your ad is well done and you pay enough for this, you will get this click. You can see this guy, Western Legal, debt relief attorneys. He just have his ad on the very first page of Google for this keyword. So he will make a lot of money. So a lot of people, you can see businesses like this, bankruptcy, freshstart.com. You can see the phone number is the same method. So you will have to use the phone number that the company gonna give you. When someone call on this phone number, you will make money because you won the ad. This is the second one, bankruptcy attorney. You can see that's the phone number of people doing the same business model. They are making thousands of dollars using Google Maps. So let me show you how to find this company right now. As you can see how easy it is to make this money, and let me show you the companies. It's easy to find this company. I'm gonna use a website named Offer Vault. You're gonna find bunch of affiliate network related to pay per call. So they will pay you just to make people call in a phone number. Whenever you make someone grab the phone number and make a phone call, you will make money. But for these type of offers, you can see People are making crazy amount of money just by finding this company and running ads using Google and Google Maps. They just list the ads on Google Maps as businesses related to the query that the customer put on the search, and they make money. Let's go to my computer again and show you these companies that will pay you just to make people call in a phone number. Don't forget, smash the like button if you find value, subscribe to this channel, and the most important thing, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know where you are watching this video. And let me tell you, if you want to make $100, you need only 4 phone calls with $200 as conversion. Anytime someone spends 2 minutes over the phone, you make $240. You need 4 phone calls to make $800. Let me show you right now on the screen the companies that are gonna pay you this money. Okay, as I said, this is the company where you're gonna find all the company you want to work with that gonna pay you this money. So if you want to make money online, you're supposed to just have internet connection, a laptop, and at the same time, make sure you have some time available to make some search and apply to some companies, like some affiliate network. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna type pay per call. Pay per call is a type of business where you get paid to make people call in a phone number. A lot of company right now switch to pay per call. It is easy than email marketing and all these other methods to get leads, because now you can just have someone calling on a phone number. You don't have to make them buy anything, and you make money. That's the idea. So I just type pay per call affiliate marketing. So you will see there are a lot of companies I see right here. You see this one will pay you $1,000 for just for 1 phone calls. The other one will pay you $1,900, $825 for just 2-minute phone calls. This is a rehabilitation program for people addicted to drugs or maybe any type of addiction. So you get paid $825 for 2-minute phone call. So if you can make someone call in a phone number, they last 2 minutes over the phone with this company, you make this amount. So I don't know if you know a business that pay more than that. I never see any type of business or make money online business that gonna pay you more than that. So guys, just go try this and join all of these company if you can. And after that, go watch some video about Google ads, how to set up ads. When you get approved from these companies, you can start running ads. You can see this one gonna pay you the same thing, $250 for a mass start offer, affiliate offer, over 120 seconds. That person's supposed to stay over the phone for 120 seconds. So guys, there are a lot of money to be making over the internet. So today was the video just to show you how you can make a lot of money. Just to say it again, it is possible to make $800 every single day just by making people calling you and 4 phone calls. Let me show you the website or the landing page that I use to make this. So that's one of the landing page I create. I create this landing page. That's a phone number of one of the company. Whenever someone click on this phone number, they make a phone call, I get paid. That's the pest control. This one pay $48 for every 120 minutes I make people call me. So that's an example of one of the type of business that you can do. Let's see if you can get this money done right now. Now you see the strategy, the method. If you like this, the only thing you have to do, comment down below, let me know if you need more video like this, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. The main important thing is to share this to your Facebook page, because you may lose this video and never see me again. Go click on the share button, share this to your Facebook page or any places where you think you can save this video. So I have more video like this on my channel. Make sure you subscribe, and see you to the next video. Bye-bye.